Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed school administrators and the presidents of STI College, distinguished board of directors, management team of STI Education, co-awardees, parents, and everyone in this committee that made this event possible. Good evening once again. So just a quick one. I am honored to receive this recognition as one of this year's STI Distinguished Alumni or Alumnus per se. My journey from STI, where I stand today as a Senior Project Manager of Micro Pinnacle Technology Corporation, has nothing short but extraordinary, and it's all thanks to the solid foundation that the STI has given. Okay, as I reflect my journey, I am reminded of the countless lessons learned, challenges overcome, and opportunities seized from my humble beginnings as a technical assistant, and I've climbed the corporate ladder, driven by the relentless pursuit of excellence and determination to make a difference. But my journey didn't stop at MPC. I am fueled of passion for photography, literature, and desire to give back. I just highlighted the give back because I co-founded, as mentioned earlier, the Lavender Books Publishing House, or also known as Lavender Pen, together with my cousin. We built a vibrant community on Facebook, united with a love for poetry and storytelling. Launching Lavender Books, or the Lavender Pen, wasn't just about achieving a dream. It was about creating a platform to share our stories, inspire others, and make a positive impact to the world. And through the One Child, One Piece initiative, we're using poetry as a tool for education and empowerment. Our goal is always to give back to the community. And that has given so much. Thank you STI for being part of this journey, for believing in me, Sir Don, specifically for that, and for inspiring me to learn big and chase those dreams with unwavering determination. Together, let's continue to inspire, create, live with a purpose, and change lives one story at a time. Here's to the new beginnings, endless possibilities, and the power of dreams. Aim high.